Suar Kapatisi TV.
Admissions open for degree courses in Sngi College. Various VTC courses are offered along with majors in many subjects. Pay reasonable fees in installments. Meritorious students will be given fees concession.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba kajala uba Perston Tensong. Ulong bakan cimpor tang lai phau Sngi Nonghikai School. Balik lum ya khana samari Andalawai School. Kata ala kumno saw santali ki Ïing hakashi Sngi. Hakajingkran bagila apsai khubor hakahnyau trek jemang aja pun rio. Uba Perston loong ru bak sarkar lapan biang ru ya kabainong. Pansiu Nonghikai ki basya bansyat banlum ya khana samari.
The teachers, yeah. Well, in fact, it is very simple. Very, very simple, let me tell you. See, for this first phase, we have calculated it takes only 30 days. Only 30 days, the teachers can go to those designated villages where we already assigned. Only 30 days. That 30 days also, it is up to them. You know, because they can work maybe after school, 2 hours, 3 hours. They can go along with the help of the traditional heads, the Rangbashnong and all. They'll go maybe 4-5 houses in a day, another 4-5 houses in a day, because this is about the enumeration. Okay, it's about enumeration. The form is already there. The prescribed form is already there. Ask, fill up, explain to the citizens of the state. It's very simple. So we have already calculated that it is not that overloaded of work is there. Rather, I should say, there'll be also beneficially, monetarily benefited, because we are also giving them some bonus, lump sum amount for 1 month. I think the range is between 15 to 20,000 something. That is it. So I don't see any problem as of now, because those teachers, and not only that, it's not only from the state government level we did this. This is done because the charge officer is the BDO of the respective block. So the BDO will only engage them after consultation with the Rangbashnong, with the managing committee, and then with the concerned department. So once that is done, then only the order for engaging them in this activity starts. Okay? Yeah.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa ba finshet da kajo shi kajo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kane kakta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kane ko umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpiang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan umktasyo.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.